Token strike. Token strike means a short strike to show protest. For example, they went on a token strike for 1 day. Face the music. Face the music means to accept punishment or consequences. For example, he ran away instead of facing the music. Fair and square. Fair and square means honestly and according to rules. For example, he defeated his rival fair and square. Sweeping statement. Sweeping statement means thoughtless statement. For example, the teacher corrected his sweeping statement. Does not hold water. Does not hold water means does not make sense. For example, his excuse does not hold water. In cold blood. In cold blood means without emotion or mercy. For example, he killed the animal in cold blood. Take to one's heels. Take to one's heels means ran away quickly. For example, he took to his heels on seeing the police. In a tight corner. In a tight corner means in a difficult situation. For example, they found themselves in a tight corner. Pay through the nose. Pay through the nose means to pay a very high price. For example, they paid through the nose for the house. Draw on one's fancy. Draw on one's fancy means to use imagination. For example, children draw on their fancy in games. Make no bones about. Make no bones about means to say something clearly and openly. For example, I make no bones about the truth. Rest on one's laurels. Rest on one's laurels means to be satisfied with past success and stop trying. For example, the team should not rest on its laurels. Go through fire and water. Go through fire and water means to face any difficulty for someone. For example, she can go through fire and water for her family. Give a piece of one's mind. Give a piece of one's mind means to scold or speak angrily. For example, he deserves to be given a piece of someone's mind. Talk through one's hat. Talk through one's hat means to talk without knowledge. For example, she talked through her hat in the meeting. Hard and fast. Hard and fast means fixed and strict. For example, there are no hard and fast rules. Cheek by jowl. Cheek by jowl means very close together. For example, people stood cheek by jowl in the crowd. At one's wit's end. At one's wit's end means confused. For example, she was at her wit's end. One's beck and call. One's beck and call means always ready to obey someone. For example, the servant was at his master's beck and call. In the long run. In the long run means over a long period of time. For example, saving money helps in the long run. Get the sack. Get the sack means to lose one's job. For example, she got the sack for being late. To fight tooth and nail. To fight tooth and nail means to fight with full effort. For example, we must fight tooth and nail for our rights. Good Samaritan. Good Samaritan means helpful person. For example, a good Samaritan helped the injured man. To go to the whole hog. To go to the whole hog means to do it completely. For example, she went the whole hog in decorating the house. In a tight corner. In a tight corner means in a difficult situation. For example, she helped me in a tight corner.